Hi guys, I'm back again with another effective natural remedies that is powerful like always. If you are new to this channel, I welcome you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And to my old subscribers, you are welcome. Don't forget to share, like, and also tell family and friends about this effective remedy. In today's video, I have come to share with you my ginger and lemon drink, and I will advise that it should be taken first thing in the morning and also last thing before going to bed, or in the evening at any time. It should be taken twice in a day, but that of morning should be the first thing that will enter in your belly before any other breakfast. Take a teaspoon of your grated ginger, then add warm water. Just add warm water, a cup of warm water. Then you stir it. Just make sure you stir it and mix everything together. Our next recipe is our honey. Honey also have its own health benefit. Please make sure you Google to make findings about these three ingredients: lemon, ginger, and honey. They have a lot of health benefits. Please don't forget to give this particular tea a try. Our next recipe is lemon. Please don't forget to give your lemon a thorough wash. I washed everything behind the camera. Now I will be slicing the lemon. All we need in this particular tea is just 2 slices of lemon. This recipe helps you to lose belly fat within 2 weeks. It also enhances our mental performance, good for hair care, reduce impact of diabetes, immediate relief from indigestion and nausea. It also helps to boost our immune system. It's a balanced key to our whole body. This combination alkalizes the body. Honey, lemon, ginger tea can enhance your mood. It also releases pain and maintain your weight by this simple and easy to make juice. Thank you. See you some other time when I post my next video. Enjoy.